All right. Good morning. I am I'm here. Oh, guys, I am not feeling good today. So I don't know how long we'll make it. I am not feeling great, so I don't know how long I'll be on. We'll go from there. Hopefully we can just tough it out, but don't know if that'll happen. So London low still down here. All right, Predator, good morning. Good morning, Mad Moxie. Thanks. Prashant, good morning. Yeah, thanks, Trader Oracle. Yeah, man. I don't know what it is. My throat's hurting really bad, very sore. So I was coughing a lot last night, which in turn gave me a headache. I didn't have any cough drops, and had some cold chills and some sweats. So, yeah, it's all good. We're gonna try to push through. We try to push through. All right, let's check the news. Well, that's why I don't know if I'll make it. We'll see. All right, what do we got? Consumer confidence. 1 o'clock 2-year note auction. These single stars probably not going to do much. So 1 o'clock. What up, Black Beauty Machine? Let's take a look at Mancini. On Friday, we broke out of a 1-month base at 48.30. Target was 80. So my key support yesterday, ES agrees. Now based here for 36 hours. Extreme chop. Plan today, 82. 74 supports. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these levels out. 82 to 74 are supports. Oops. Keeps 90 and 06 alive. Excuse me. I already got those levels marked out from yesterday. So one could buy the pullback into the 80. We usually, we've kind of held that area a couple times here, tested it overnight. So we'll see. You are right. Top 5. What's going on? You're right, Oracle. You're right. Welcome to the COVID season. I don't really think it's COVID. I think it's just more or less just like, I don't know what it is, but we don't like it. Oh, let me take this off here. Let me go to the 15 minutes, see if we got any kind of equal highs, equal lows, that sort of thing. All right. So we do have equal lows here. 65. We have a wick in a right there. I don't know if we've hit that already or not. That's a wick in a fair value gap. So probably going to hit the 66s here pretty quick. Do got the VWAP there as well. Yeah, I guess you could have shorted here for these equal lows. I obviously wasn't on, so. Anybody else having problems with the Quantower copier? As I am. It's not copying across. It's not crossing multiple accounts anymore, multiple prop firms. It's only doing one. You know, some of them it's not even doing one. So I don't know. Got about 6 minutes here until open. ES is back to a pivot right there at 84. Yeah, I need to. How do I get there, though? Probably Help Center, huh? Live chat. There we go. Let's get the live chat. Oh, goodness. I mean, I'd love to chat with them. I just don't know what language this is. I don't know what that is. So let's think about this. If we don't run these equal lows here before open, I think we get a quick push down into the 60s here. Let me look at the ES. So ES did not take the London lows either. Yeah. So we'll see if that does that at open here. What's going on, Dave? All right, I got about 4 minutes here until the market opens. We'll see what happens. Oh, Jimmo, good morning. Looks Russian. Mr. Charts, how's it going? So I think over here at open, we probably run these 66 quickly. we're just waiting to see what happens when we open here. Trying to get us a couple of setups. All right, we'll see what happens here at open. It's not much to do right now. So, like I said, I feel like we got equal lows down here on the ES as well. Down here at 79. So, maybe a quick push down here at open. A fake up and then a push down. We'll see. Whew. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you. Thank you. Less than a minute here till open. It's bouncing off the VWAP there on the ES and the Nasdaq. Did I see NG? No, I didn't see it. What's going on with it? All right, here we go. We'll see what happens here at open. All right, here we go. A few seconds. Let's see if we get a run down here. Maybe a push up, then a run down. There we go. Trying to push down here. Gonna run those quick equal lows, I'm pretty sure. So, Trader 33 in the house. There we go. So we ran those equal lows there. Excuse me. So Nasdaq pulled back there. ES did not. Settlement price. All right, let's see what happens here. Do we start pushing here or do we continue down? We do got the London low down there at the 420s. Yeah, where it bounced. Yes, pushing here. Yes, it's pushing up 88s. NQ's just still on its way down here. I wanted to jump in short to run these equal lows, but ES wasn't cooperating, so that's why I didn't take a trade there. And like ES is just, I mean, there's just no correlation here between ES and Nasdaq. ES is just ripping up to the moon. Nasdaq just pulling back. Make it difficult here. There's not much to do here until they kind of get in sync, baby. ES finally starting to pull back. As soon as it starts pulling back, the Nasdaq bounces, as you do. Done for the day. Nice top 5. All right, ES is finally starting to pull back here. What in the heck is going on here? 4. All right, something's up here. I'm going to have to reset my connection. What's up, Illuminated? Dad's advice. They give out free resets sometimes. I wanted to take this short here, but unfortunately, the account that I wanted to take it on over here, I was having issues with it was like the data was not correct. Apple wants that 1 hour resistance. Yeah, it feels bad there. I missed this short, but unfortunately my connection over here wasn't, I mean, I could have taken it on this account, but I was trying to take it on the other account. So we're just still going here, just dumping. Yes, back to the 80, kind of in that buy zone area. Starting to get a reversal candle here, potentially. Oh, man. Let's pop another cough drop. She dumping, she dumping. We not in it. Oh, goodness. So I like that the ES is bouncing here, kind of in that buy zone area we just talked about. That's a pretty good little rip right there, 30 points right back up. Yeah, still got those equal lows down there at 79. Yeah, no problem. Top 5. Thanks, man. So we do got this gap here on the 3 minute. I'm also watching it on the 1 minute. We swept those lows, swept the important low there. The only thing is this is a big gap. But keep an eye on the 1 minute here. Getting a buy signal here. All right, let's see what happens. ES back above the VWAP there, back to the 84s. Looking kind of like it wants to push. Let's see what happens here. All right, we're hitting above the HEMA there, the HEMA line. Just kind of got some dead soul candles there. We'll see what happens here. I've not pressed the button yet, guys. Not yet. I mean, it looks like it wants to push, but not going to enter just based on what it looks like. That burns me too much. All right, let's see if this thing is going to push here or not. It's trying to. I want to see this thing kind of get above 70 there, get some momentum to get going. Don't get tricked into going short. No. I don't know if I go short today at all. We'll see. ES pulling back here. Back below the VWAP there. You're going to go short. I don't know if I want to short today. I don't know. Maybe an open there was a nice one, but I'm not sure. ES back above the VWAP now. All right, let's see if this thing starts ripping. I think it does here. Should get some expansion here. Should get some expansion here into the 80s, possible. Rumble, you're shorting from 85. Maybe. You got those equal lows down there at 79 as well. So, yes, above the VWAP here. Nasdaq kind of below. Waiting for the trap. Could be. I mean, it acts like it wants to go, just not doing it yet. Just not doing it yet there. Yes, back to the VWAP there, 83s. I don't know. These prices are high, but they could go higher still. Still could go higher. Oh, let's see here. Just unable to get above the VWAP. He still has those equal lows below at 79. Currently at 83, trying to hold the VWAP right there. Very similar to yesterday and the day before, where it's just you have the initial move. If you jump in on that initial move, you're good. But beyond that, price action is not great. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. We get a setup that makes sense, we'll take it. Until then, we're just going to be sitting here. What's going on, Rogue Gringo? Yeah, it could be. You jump in on the initial move with the wrong direction. I guess it happens. Room beats. I said we were going to take out the 66s. I mean, that was pretty clear, I think. I didn't press the button because I'm chicken. Chacking. Chacking. ES is just magnetized to the VWAP there. Oh, man. Just waiting. Let me switch over to the 5-minute here, see if, yeah, the 5-minute doesn't look bad. Any advice for under traders? What's an under trader, Mr. Charts? I don't know what that is. Guess to help me out with that term. Don't take trades, and I think I should. Oh, I got you. I mean, that just comes with experience, with time. I still do the same thing where I'll be like, oh, this looks good, but then I don't jump in, and then like 8 points higher, I jump in, and then my stop's way longer, way worse than it needs to be, and then I have to move my stop to break even too fast, and I get stopped out. I still do that exact same thing, so just over time. Goodness. Yeah, that's what happens with me. Might be slow and choppy today with the election. Yeah, true. Like right now, I want to buy right here and just put my stop below the VWAP, but all right, we'll do it. I'm going to go to break even once we sweep those swings there. So right there. And see if it can just push. See if we can't get 10 points here. This account. Come on. She's probably going to be a dirty girl. Yeah, they already knew it. She's going to be a dirty girl and stop me out. Thought break through the VWAP there, we might go. So yeah, news in 9 minutes. Not very big news though. We'll see what happens here. Delta looks strong for buyers. Yeah, it feels bad there. Moved the stop too quickly. I kind of want to jump back in here, but problem is stopped really 10 points to be below the VWAP. Dollar's going straight up. It's not good if the dollar's going straight up. Yeah, caught back. If we close above here, I mean, like, this is too big of a stop. He's looking at 35 handles, but if you go over to the 5 minute, the stop's much more reasonable. It's kind of like right there, 10, 11 points, but it is on the 5 minute, which could put you through some things because it can pull back way deep and then push back up and not close below. So yeah, we do have numbers. Excuse me, guys. You think we retrace first? Maybe. Just have to see what happens. I'm not taking the 15-minute trade anymore, Predator. It didn't work out after all the back testing. The 5 minute I do plan on taking. I probably would already be taking it, but I just haven't. Been really trying to concentrate on the trying to get the accounts to pay out there. What the heck happened there? I don't know what happened there. I entered and then that thing stopped me out for whatever reason. I don't know why. uh, I'll see if this thing rips up or not. Long 3 contracts. Nice. We'll see if we hold up here. Yes, trying to push. It's above the VWAP there, but up $600. Nice. 958. Yes, holding up there at the pivot at the 84s. Need it to kind of start pushing here if it's going to do it. I'm just waiting here. One minute until the news here. Exercise day, nice. Definitely chop. Good morning, Lou. I don't know about a short right now. There's the news. Really didn't do much there. What is going on here? Kind of wanted to jump in there, but now it's like, yeah. It's going to go below the VWAP here. Yes, pushing here. I think we get a push up here. Just in way late here. Just kind of watching. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm just going to eat it. I don't even know what account this is. All right. 7 to 9 can be more predictable. 9:30 to 11. Holding the VWAP there. Short from the 21 EMA. Nice. 1003. Is this thing going to sell down here? ES testing the VWAP there. Nasdaq testing the VWAP. I'm going to take some off at 82. Pushing back above the VWAP there. See if we can rip up above the VWAP here for a few points. Dollar's pulling back. Sorry, I'm not talking, guys. Not feeling that well today, so if you're just joining. I don't know what it is, Rumble. We don't know. Kind of want to buy the bounce here off the VWAP. Back above the VWAP, but we'll give it a try. Again, I'm taking trades that probably don't make a whole lot of sense. So if I take another loss or two, I may just call it because I don't want to be digging myself a hole today. Gotta hold the VWAP here. Should be in from the VWAP, not from where I'm at. Oh, you got some there? Nice. ES above the pivot there, starting to push. So we break above this 84 here, then I'm going to go to break even on this. If we can push above the 84 there, that swing there. So he is pushing up to the 85s there. Come on, let's go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and go to break even here. Going to get stopped out break even most likely, but it's better than losing, I guess. So I'm really supposed to wait, but rip it up. See, my stop would be down here if we got in kind of when we were supposed to. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and just call it. I'm feeling like crap, and I'm going to be pushing buttons and doing things that I shouldn't be doing. So if I feel a little better earlier in the afternoon, I may fire it back up. But otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and call it. Just take it a rest day. Shut the PC down. I don't want to end up doing anything stupid. So appreciate you guys watching. Like the video, subscribe. You know all the things down below. So we'll try this afternoon, or we'll be back tomorrow.